afternoon all. So we have discussed here to have a design thinking discussion topic, right? So our design thinking topic focuses on the design of counters, right? So can we start the discussion?
Yes.
Right? So what are all the stages in design thinking? First, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So let's begin with each topic discussion, right?
Hello everyone, I'm Tarni. I'm going to speak about the empathy part. Empathy is the first stage in design thinking, and empathy is about understand the pain and feelings of the user to overcome his problem. So, for example, let's take a traffic signal we saw in every road. Traffic signals, counters are used to change and count the time seconds and change it at the right time. It is also used in classrooms or in small office to count the exit and entrance of the people to avoid overcrowding and other issues. So the main points are accuracy, speed, and easy to use. But in manual counting, the errors are happen and the misconception which leads to a big problem. To avoid this, we need a digital counters which helps to overcome these all things and it's easy to use.
I'm Susha. I'm going to tell about define. Define is the second stage of design thinking, and so we know the need. Let's define the problem, and we need a counter system that counts the digital pulses and displayed outputs and reset after output needs. And the main challenge is to make it power efficient and accurate. And we need a sequential automatical system in and circuit system.
Hello everyone, I'm Vidya. I'm going to talk about the ideate. So hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the ideate part. So ideate is the third stage of design thinking. So where we focus on generating different ideas for a project. So we have various types of counters like synchronous, up or down, or decade. So comparing all the advantages of these counters, we'll be selecting the best one which suits for our project. For example, if we have a 4-bit binary counters with flip-flops, it is simple and effective. So even this stage involves more creative activities and creative ideas, which includes teamwork and innovation also by selecting the best practical design. So even this idea gives the solutions for many of the problems. We can get many ideas from each and every one in this stage.
Good afternoon, I'm Yomala from Chandigarh ECC. So I'm going to talk about the prototype. So prototype is said to be the fourth stage of design thinking. So here we are going to make a model using our ideas in order to give a best solution for the users. So here we are
One
going.
second.
So good afternoon everyone, I'm Yomala from second year ECC. So I'm going to talk about the prototype. So prototype is said to be the fourth stage in design thinking. So here we are going to make a model using our ideas in order to provide a best solution for the users. So here we are gonna connect the flip-flops like JK or T flip-flops and on the breadboard connections or a simulation of under multivism and or on it under CAD. So here we are gonna check about the counter how its clock pulse values gets increases and when it reaches a maximum value and we are going to reset it again. So this will tell us about the functionality and the timing of the counter how it works.
Everyone, I'm Amna from second ECC. Here I'm going to talk about the testing part. This is the last stage of the design thinking. Basically, testing means testing the prototype. So now we test our counter to make sure it works properly. If it checks counts properly, resets when needed, and handles fast signals. So if we have any mistakes or delays, we fix them by adjusting the time between parts. After testing and checking, we can use the counter effectively in real use. So our main application is a digital clockers, which keeps tracking the seconds, minutes, and hours, and even used in the traffic signal controllers, event counters, etc.
We have come to the conclusion of our design thinking discussion on the topic design of counters, right? So here we have defined detailed about all the 5 stages, and we had come to the conclusion that how counters have been implemented, right, for any problem solution what we need in the design part. Thank you.
Thank you.